atopic eczema, irritant contact dermatitis, perioral dermatitis, prickly heat, insect bites. What to do with a little redness on baby? Well, there are multiple types of redness on the skin. Atopic eczema, irritant contact dermatitis, perioral dermatitis, prickly heat, insect bites, sucking dermatitis, chickenpox, and so on. Many, especially for children. And they have something in common. They are irritant dermatitis. So they are all dry, all with redness. They all have a risk of infection, and they have the same healing mechanisms. That's why the same cream might be applied of all these little redness, and Cicastela is perfect for that. So what is the global management for all this redness? First, keep clean, so avoid maceration, and also avoid exposure to triggers which might increase irritation. And second, moisture, not dry, moisture, which nourishes the dry skin and activates skin repair. So in Cicastela, it is a formula with many active ingredients, specially selected for babies and children. Avocado perseose protects and preserves the skin and the cells. And we added hyaluronic acid for repair, panthenol to soothe the skin, copperidine to purify and protect against infection. Cicastela is really natural with 91% of ingredients of natural origin with no fragrance, and it is a really safe and secure product with many tests, especially many clinical tests. So I show you two tests we conducted, one in Georgia and another one in Mauritius Island, on 82 babies with many kinds of rednesses, and Cicastela provided the disappearance of the lesion in 80 to 100% of the children in a mean delay of 11 days, which is really quick. It had an excellent tolerance, and it decreased the scratching by 80%. So it is really efficient for any kind of redness and might be used by children, parents, and the whole family. Thank you.